Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am so excited to show you guys this new set of watercolors that I just got. I cannot wait to swatch these, but I wanted to share it with you because these are probably the most beautiful set of watercolors I think I've ever seen. At least this brand. So they come from Germany is where they were shipped from. And I'm not exactly sure how you say this, Lisilinka, I guess. But they are a holographic paint set. And I just have to show you this. This box is just exquisite. Look at this packaging. Look at this. It is so beautiful. This is the set that I got. It's called Holo Flowers. And look, isn't it beautiful? Like, it is just packaged incredibly well. So here's the set. It's a set of 7. Like I said, it's the Holo Flowers. We'll get that out in 1 second. It also comes with a beautiful velvet bag to put those in. It comes with this pretty little bottle, which, you know, is not necessary, but it's beautiful nonetheless. And it's a little dropper. It has a little push button on the top, and it soaks up the water. And then they also send you a swatch card. So let me show you this. Now, this is not all of their sets. And it seems like they're adding, you know, to the their sets all the time. They're coming out with new ones all the time. So they have sets of the 7 that come in like this. They're all in these little hexagon pans, which is just too cute. But they do have singles. They have sets of 3. And then sets of 7, which is what I've seen. That's all I've seen on their site. Now, I did purchase these on my own. I did reach out to the company and I asked them for a discount code for my viewers, but they were not able to oblige. I think they are a small business, and so they were not able to do that. And I'm sorry, guys. I really wanted to get you a discount code. But, and these are pretty, they're kind of pricey, but it looks like one of those things where, you know, you get what you pay for. Got to figure out how to get these out. I mean, it's just beautiful. Look at these. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to swatch these so bad, but I've been busy. I had a bunch of other stuff going on, and I wanted to do it on camera so y'all could see too. And I thought it would be good timing in case you wanted to maybe add these to your Christmas wish list. Then I thought that would be something, you know, nice to ask for. You know, see if Santa would bring us some pretty watercolors. There's so many other sets that they have that I want as well. And one other thing I want to point out is that some of the sets they have are holographic and some are metallic. Like, I think these 2 sets, Holo Flowers and Flower Garden, are the same basic pigment, but these ones are metallic and these ones are holographic. So if you're on there picking out stuff, you might make sure you read the description so that you know what you're getting. You know, if you want the holographic ones or just the metallic. And look at this. That's so cool. This has a magnetic lid. That is so nifty. All right. And then how they show that you use this, I guess they just use this little dropper to activate the watercolor. So we'll get a little water out. I'm just going to drop one little drop on there, kind of like they do on their little video. And they have a couple tutorials on their website and on Instagram. I think that's where I found them, was on Instagram. And they've got a couple little tutorials, and then they have three tutorial sets that are sets of 3, and they are, you know, specific for whatever the painting was. Like I think one was a fish and one was a butterfly. So anyway, they have sets that are special for those tutorials. So, all right, I am so excited. I don't know what kind of paper this is. It might not be the best paper. It kind of just feels like cardstock, but maybe it's hot pressed or something. Let's see. Oh, well, I guess that's how you know what color is what. Let's see if they're on the bottom here. Hold on. No, no names, with a pan with a magnet on the bottom, and that's how it sticks. Well, that's pretty cool. So I guess you have to use this to see where everything is. So I don't know. I might find a way to write their names on them. But that's something to check out. Look at this. You can already see the color shift in there. Looks like there's a little purple in there. All right. Now I'm going to start with this one. Oh my goodness. Let me see if you can see this. I don't know how good my lights are, but when I get these swatched out, I will bring them up to the camera and zoom in real good for you so you can see these. All right, so this is the Holo, oh my goodness, forget me not. Yeah, Holo, oh my goodness, forget me not. So you guys are probably going to be seeing these again. Surprise, surprise. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. And unlike a lot of metallic type of watercolor, these ones are so pigmented that you don't have to put like a base layer of pigment underneath for it to show. Goodness, look at that. Beautiful. Holo Forget Me Not. Let's do this Holo Meadow. So I will leave the link for you in the description if you guys are interested. Like I said, this is not sponsored. I just saw him and fell in love. But I am a sucker for sparkly. Like a moth drawn to a flame. Sparkle. Gosh, look at that. I feel like I haven't filmed in forever. And I'm sorry, I know I haven't had very many videos lately. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but my daughter is getting married in February. And so we've been doing a lot of DIY stuff. We've been doing a bunch of floral centerpieces and boutonnieres and decorations, all kinds of stuff. So we have been knee deep in flowers lately. I do not know how to say this word. Lisianthus, maybe? That's a beautiful color. You ought to see the water. It's just like got glitter everywhere. This, I was going to say, this is probably going to be my favorite, but still have these two to go. This is Holo Peony. It might be my favorite. Look at this. See, and once you get that on there, you can't see the paper underneath it. I love it. Love, love. They activate pretty easy. Let's do this Holo Daisy. Oh, this looks like gold. We may just have to drag this palette out just to use a little gold on our some of our paintings. You imagine the pop that you'll get just by adding just a little bit of this here and there on your paintings. Like, that's going to be fantastic. Look, I just rubbed my paint off. Sorry, it's a dirty paper towel. Look, it's just glitter. So beautiful. All right, let's see. This is Holo Dahlia. Okay, new fave. Look at that. You just see the color moving. Little glitter sparkles are running everywhere. Yeah, I have never seen paints that are so, like a sparkle paint that's so thick. You know what I mean? Like, that you can't see through. I've got some other paints that are, you know, glittery or metallic, whatever. But like, you almost need to put another color underneath it to cover the white of the paper. Oh gosh, I can't pick my favorite. This is Holo Magnolia. Like I said, I'm not sure what kind of paper this is. I bet if you put it on some Arches cold pressed, oh, gorgeous. And these are supposed to have more paint in them, I believe, than a half pan. So they're supposed to last, you know, a really long time. Oh my goodness, look, you guys. So beautiful. Oh, threw my brush. All right, let me see if I can pull this up here, let you look at it. Isn't it just beautiful? Of course, they're still wet. So I'm going to let this dry and I'll come right back and let you look at it once it's dry. They are all dry. Look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? Love it, love it. And then I also had a little scrap of some Arches cotton watercolor paper, the cold pressed. And so I did that too. And man, let me show you both of these. Hopefully you guys can see how just sparkly they are. Oh, and they're just so gorgeous. I love these so much. And the nice thing about them is, I guess it's like really fine glitter. So, and she says that you don't have to spray fixative on it. So, like, they are stuck. It's not coming off. So that's great. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed. I will leave the link in the description for you if you are interested. And if you've been on the nice list this year, maybe Santa will bring you some. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'll have some more content coming soon. And I appreciate the likes and subscribes, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.